Hey guys, this is a mini water heater made by Kweetle. Let's open the box and take a look at what it looks like and go over some of the features. This is the bracket. Very lightweight. It's going to weigh more as soon as you fill it with water. This is a relief valve that you can put on here. Installation process is very simple. You just remove these caps and get threaded connectors to your pipes. You will connect the cold water right here. You can simply just put it on the floor under the sink or wherever you want it to be, or you can use the wall mount system that comes with this heater. Make sure this bracket is attached to a strong wall or use anchors, because this is going to weigh a little bit more as soon as it's filled with water. It has a 2.5 gallon capacity. That will give you enough water to run out of your sink or even a shower. This can be used in home for RV camping. You can always find many uses for it. It just connects with a standard plug. This particular model is SY8. It's energy efficient, has a very nice look to it, simple to operate, and it's going to just fill it using the standard method of a hot water heater, which is the pressure that comes from the water. Very nice little appliance.